Hi, I'm Macsen Davis. I've got a sponsorship with Tata Steel. I'm doing enhanced electrical engineering at Coleg Gwent. I chose this course because I have family members in the industry. They've really sort of increased my interest. The way they speak about it in such high esteem really gets me interested in it. My sponsorship's with Tata Steel. We've been having work experience, practicing our practical work, just seeing the environment. We had a tour of the site, that was very interesting. Getting to see all the works and that sort of environment. It means a lot to me. It's given me much more of a plan. When I was going through GCSE, I had very little plan of what I was going to do in the coming years, but with this sponsorship, going to the apprenticeship, it's definitely given me much more of a solid plan and know where I'm going. I had to go through a several-step process between CV, a test online, and then an interview with two of the employees from Tata. And then within a few days we were sent an offer for the sponsorship. Hopefully following this year, if it goes well, get my 4-year Tata apprenticeship. And then following that, if I get through it, maybe develop to a HNC, which is the next step up. And then after that, employment at Tata. I would recommend it, yes. I find it very interesting. If you also share the interest for building things, problem solving is a big part of it. If you enjoy that sort of aspect of things, then yes, I'd definitely recommend it.